Hi guys, how can you change hair color in Photoshop like this? First, open your image in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the background layer. Turn off the original layer. Now select the Object Selection tool. Make a rough selection around the hair. Click Select and Mask. In the properties, note all these settings. Choose the Refine Edge Brush tool. Set the brush size to around 102 pixels. Gently brush around the hair edges to refine the selection. Press OK. Add a new layer. Now select the gradient. Open the gradient editor. Choose a gradient that matches the hair or set that color which I already created. Turn eye on the off layers. Create a clipping mask so the gradient only affects the hair layer. Change the blending mode to soft light. Adjust the opacity if needed for a natural look. And that's it. This is how you can easily change hair color in Photoshop.